Rao Jodha Desert Rock Park was created in 2006 out of a large rocky wasteland beside the Mehrangarh Fort. The park was built to restore the natural ecology of this neglected terrain and has become a prime tourist attraction of the city today. The rocky ravines are densely populated with the indigenous flora of the Thar Desert. There are over 200 species of plants at this ecopark. The religion was established as the Rao Jodha Desert Rock Park in 2006, but it was only in 2011 that the public could visit and explore it. It is one of the few places where the real terrain and vegetation of Rajasthan can be witnessed in its natural environment. The attraction has been one of the famous places for natural lovers and geologists. If you are a nature lover, you can visit this place. Thank you for watching my video. Like my video, subscribe my channel, share with your friends and give me lot of comments.